So let's get started, dear friends. This is our notepad. So today I'm going to take a simple web page. The structure of it first tag is HTML. Well, this all are tags. All the tags must be closed with a forward slash that same element, that is HTML. Then comes the head tags. Head tag refers to header. Here only we can go for the title and styling, which we will study later. I use CSS in JavaScript. Here only we need that type of elements of our page. It is very important to close the tag if you have started, except the empty tags like BR, HR, this other the image, this type of tag do not need a closing tag. After that comes the body tag and the body. Here we refers the main element, image or etc. of our web page. There are different heading levels. Let's first get starting with writing a simple name only. Wait, that's two. In a program, this is a very basic and must practice daily to learn HTML. Then I will also make videos daily. Now let's save it. First, keep in mind that save as type must be done to all type, and it must be given extension .html or .html. Now let's save it with extension l1.html. Let's save it on desktop only so that it will be easy to use. Now it is saved. Now let's see it. Here is our page. Let's open it. Now here you see the web page is ready. Now let's take some changes in the same web page and view it again after saving it. Now here is the night title. I define a title that will be there under top bar, title bar. Now let's give its title lecture. And Control S for saving it. And let's refresh the page. So here you see the name has changed to lecture 1. The title bar name has changed to lecture 1. That is the magic of the title. Now in the next element I will teach you is heading. That is H1. There are 7 heading levels in HTML from H1 to H7, and the size is decreasing gradually, so on and so forth. So let's start with H1 to H7. Let's copy it so that it is easy to write a program, because it is only for our practice purpose. 5, 6, 7. So let's make the changes. Heading level number H1, H2, H2, H3, H3, H4, H4, H5, H5, H6, H6, 7, 7, 7. Now let's save it by Control S, that is the shortcut for save file, and let's refresh it. Now see it. All the 7 have different width, height, and format. And I made one mistake, and there is only 6 level. It comes with, so please ignore it. Now let's go to the next level. Now let's change the background color of this whole web page. Now let's say bg. This is an element. Now we will be attribute. Attribute are something that defines the appearance, look, beautification of the tag. Here here in body bg color is a attribute. Let's see, it has changed. Now one more tag I will going to teach, that is how we can insert an image. Src. Here only we will mention the location of image. For example, let's take our image. Let's take an image. Let's take this image only. Now we have to copy its path. Copy path from here. Or if you are using older version of Windows, then you can copy it from properties also. After that, just go ahead and paste it. This is the already. Now let's save it. This changed. So we have seen that it is changed. Now if you want to make something in center, why for example you want to make this image in center or whole thing on center, then there is a center tag also in HTML. Center. Let's save it. See, it is still changed. Position of change. Similarly, we can change the position of anything. This is only for this lecture. In next lecture, we'll continue our HTML, further elements, tags, and so on. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel, comment it, like it, share it, or confidently dislike it if there are any errors, and suggest. You are free to suggest me errors anytime. Thank you.